Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's your morning brief on the coronavirus. It's day 35 of the national lockdown under level 5. Tomorrow we start with level 4, meaning some restrictions will be relaxed. But many questions have been raised about government stage 4 regulations. There's good news for those who want to exercise, but bad news for smokers. From tomorrow, you'll be able to jog, cycle or walk within a 5-kilometer radius of your home, but only between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. And this has raised concerns about social distancing, as people will all be exercising at the same time. And there are fears this could draw large crowds, especially in areas around complexes and estates. Smokers who had been rationing their cigarettes and expecting to stock up again from tomorrow have now been left in the lurch. Last week, President Cyril Ramaphosa said the ban on the sale of cigarettes would be lifted from tomorrow. But last night, Cooperative Governance Minister Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma reversed this decision. This means the sale of cigarettes remain prohibited under level 4 lockdown. So what informed this reversal? Dlamini-Zuma proudly referenced the 2,000 submissions they received against smoking during the public participation process. Remember, they got more than 70,000 submissions in total. The minister also referred to the fact that people share cigarettes. So, she says the tendency for people to share a Zol or a Scaife creates the perfect opportunity for spreading the virus. However, banning the sale of cigarettes also creates a major problem in terms of illegal trade, with illicit cigarettes flooding the market at massively inflated prices that deliver no tax for the country. This controversial decision about banning the sale of cigarettes may also see legal action in the next few days. The sale of alcohol remains prohibited under level 4, but many South Africans will be able to order some of their favorite food from restaurants for delivery only. If you chose to spend the initial lockdown period in a different province and you want to come home, you will have a once-off chance to come back, but then you will have to stay put, and you'll need a permit for this. This is attached to the gazetted regulations. In terms of public transport, all the level 5 regulations on capacity remain in place under level 4, but buses and rail services will be open again. We also got a glimpse of what the return to school plan will look like, with a draft plan to allow grade 7s and grade 12s to return on the 18th of May. Again, several issues have been raised about sanitizing schools, social distancing, and other challenges. But further and final details on schools reopening will be announced during a briefing sometime today. S&P Global Ratings has lowered South Africa's sovereign credit rating further into non-investment grade or junk, citing the impact of the coronavirus on the country's already struggling economy. We also had one of the biggest spikes in the number of infections. At least 354 more cases have been confirmed, bringing the national total to 5,350. And the death toll has now passed the 100 mark and now stands at 103. The number of patients being tested is steadily increasing. To date, almost 200,000 people have been tested. For this and more on the pandemic, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus.